Okay, so what we'll do is we'll add two spheres. This one will have the first version, the automatic chop network. Right, so if we follow our steps, we create a mountain animation, click this on. I gotta get in the habit of pausing this. And we add the transform. Then within here, we can play with any number of coordinates, right? So this is movement x, y, so we can make it move up and down. If we right click in this section, go to motion effects, noise, and you can do any number of things, but that's just the one I like. And we hit play. And it's not doing anything because we're on mountain view. And we need to be on transform view. There we go. And we could keep adding and adding and adding. And as well as, for the scale, we could adjust, we could affect the X, Y, and Z in all directions for scale in the same way, which we've done. And we got to really calm that down. So it just depends on which you prefer. It's probably easier to do it the way we just did, but there will be reasons to create your own network that has multiple attributes. So, for example, if we add a new chop, and we go inside of it, it's got no elements. So within here, well, we can create a wave, right? And a pulse and a noise and other things. So let's see what happens. It's like, where's my wave? Okay, so let's make it calm down. It's not doing anything yet. And it's probably best to, let's leave that sphere to itself. This is its own chop network, right? Through the X, Y, and Z. But over here, let's make another sphere so it makes more sense. And in this one, again, if we want to see them living in the same world, we'll merge them. And we could turn this on, this merge view, right? So this sphere is doing nothing, but this is our handmade chop net, right? I gotta pause this. So I can grab this guy and say, and I'm grabbing it, you know, this is from this new channel operation network. I can affect the radius and do a chop reference. Okay. And then I could come in here and give it any number of commands within the wave itself. Okay. But it is really handy to be able to see in this other window below the wave itself. Right? And you know, whatever I want to do to it. So create, I don't know what this does. Let's see, pulse. So now we have a second set of attributes. And they're not going to do anything unless I which are they? They're those. There it is, pulse, right? So if I pause this, go back to my sphere. This is the one I want to play with. And here's its movement, right? So I can grab this and put it onto its movement and hit play. That's with it off. That's with it on. So we've got two chop networks constructed in two different ways.